Sat around the fire. Hi all, welcome to the channel. As you can see, I'm in my shed. Just a little video to show you the Lake Districts. Me and about 10 other guys went over on the bikes to Coniston Water. We spent a couple of nights in tents and fires going and all that, barbecues going, crazy antics. But we've also did some lovely riding as well. So enjoy the video if you like it, subscribe, tell your friends, I don't know what you do, but enjoy it. Take care, bye. Just showing everybody the campsite. In to Steve's tent you go. Dun, 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 dun.
The closer we get to it, the waves are pushing it away.
Day 2 in the Big Brother house. This is the campsite, people. All the boys are ready. Say hello, boys. Say hello. Young Darren there getting his bike ready, fucking about as usual.
Who's the sat napkin? It's got to be you, isn't it?
Well, what's the crack? I thought you put the route in.
Yeah, but I haven't got it on me ears or on my bike.
Alright, we'll send it. Have you got a GPX file? Can you download it?
I wasn't away this year.
The Lakes. April 2026. 15 of us enjoying the sunshine. Glorious sunshine, I won't show. Blinded by the light. Clear sky. It's all gravy, baby. It's all gravy, baby. Hurrah. Yeah, here till tomorrow. Had a nice ride out today. You'll see the ride. Enjoy it.
It's like an Indian reservation.
Hey-yo, 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 hey-yo.